Ferritin is one very important parameter for hair loss. So when you check, usually you check the hemoglobin levels, and if it is beyond 12 in women, it's fine, and beyond 14 in men, that's absolutely great. But then what happens with ferritin? Ferritin is the stored iron inside your system. So in case there is a little bit of lesser ferritin in the system, what the body does it says all the ferritin should be used by the most important organs, and these hair follicles are just left out because it is not considered important. So for your hair to grow, you have to have a little more beyond what your system actually needs. So if your ferritin level has to be checked, then you have to make sure you're having it a little above the normal range. Then it helps a little more. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, what we have in abundance and we use the least. Well, vitamin D is mandatory not only for the hair cycle, but it also modulates the immune system in the hair. Can you believe it? So vitamin D is very necessary, and you can consume vitamin D on a daily basis regularly, and you should make sure that it is a little above the required amount which your system needs to function. Well, zinc is a trace mineral, but it's a hair mineral, which is very important for hair growth. And what it actually does is, it not only regulates the protein synthesis in the hair, and it builds the keratin also. It supports the sebaceous gland and makes sure that the scalp environment is maintained well. And it is one major player in the hair growth cycle. So when it comes to zinc deficiency, this really bothers the hair. And you can, it up to a certain level, up to like 18 or something, it's considered to be normal. But then you have to, the optimal level for hair growth is a little more than that. Folate, vitamin B9 is a good friend of vitamin B12 because they both work together in the formation of red blood cells and the DNA synthesis. So it works similar. It causes the hair cycle to come down drastically, then thinning of the hair and loss. Usually happens more in pregnant women, lactating women, and in people who take lesser green leafy vegetables. So you can add on to more of your leafy green vegetables and fruits to make up for folate levels. Vitamin B12 is a very vital vitamin because it plays a major role in red cell blood formation and in DNA synthesis. Hair follicle cells are the ones which are multiplying very fast, and if there is a deficiency of vitamin B12, this is affected. That leads to slowing of the hair cycle and then thinning of the hair and hair loss, of course. So it's mandatory that you make sure that your vitamin B12 levels are maintained at the optimal levels. And in India, the deficiency of vitamin B12 is very large because many are vegetarians and vegan also. So in that kind of a diet, you tend to have lesser amount of vitamin B12.